Well, rock taping is one of many ways that you can ease your pain without going through the headache. Carrie Ferguson with Stepping Up Physical Therapy is here to tell us a little more. Carrie, thanks for being here.
Yes, absolutely.
What is rock tape and how does it work?
So I felt this was an appropriate time to come on because if you're watching the Olympics at home, you may notice some of the athletes are wearing tape on their skin. And what's
It's hard
it called?
not to notice.
It's hard not to notice. Yes, it's colorful, it's everywhere, it's in many different designs. So rock tape is a specific brand of kinesio tape, which is what they're wearing on their skin. And what that's designed to do is a stretchy, flexible, waterproof tape that you can wear for 2 to 5 days at a time. And it's going to help with generally prevention and treatment of injuries, but also to improve everyday function and athletic performance, hence what the Olympians are using.
All right. So tell me about the difference between rock tape and other kinesio taping brands. First time I've used that word.
Yeah, right. I personally like rock tape better because they consider themselves to be a movement company rather than a taping company. So working in physical therapy, it's my job to get somebody to move effectively and quickly as possible, and that's where we can use rock tape as one of the many tools to do that. And not only that, but they are stickier and stretchier than other competitor brands on the market, so you're going to get that longer wear time and longer desired effects, such as decompression, increased blood flow, but also increasing that neurological input from the brain to the body, where you're going to have those increased desired effects and also just pain relief.
All right. Well, you're seeing some of the benefits
Yes,
there
absolutely.
on our
There's
screen.
too many to list. That's why
Yeah.
I gave you
How do
a
you
visual.
Right? How do you utilize it at the clinic?
Personally, I utilize it most using it mostly for joint and muscle pain. Other than that, I usually use it for decreased bruising and inflammation, increasing joint stability, but also, like I mentioned earlier, increasing that neurological input from the brain to the body. But you can also use it in an athletic standpoint as well if you want to facilitate a muscle that might be really weak and it needs help firing, or also inhibiting a muscle that might be overworking and doing too much of the job, but also decreasing muscle fatigue as well.
Well, you deal with people of all ages. Is rock tape safe for all ages?
So rock tape is safe for all ages. So of course you would want to know why and how to properly apply this tape. So that's where our therapists at Stepping Up Physical Therapy can help. But yes, you can apply this to infants, but also your older geriatric population without concern.
Well, obviously, we appreciate you coming in and telling us
absolutely.
more about that. Like you said, you watch the Olympics, and it is everywhere.
Yes, and I love it because I am big for movement. So I love that they're using that to help utilize it, making it more common.
A lot of great information.
yes,
Carrie,
thank
thank
you
you for that. You can find out more about rock tape and Stepping Up Physical Therapy on their website and later on Wayne.com. Right